Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing authority and tools, confirm your key holder, and show up 15-20 minutes early. Once on site, get your uniform, phone charger, and a $1.50 cash float ready so transactions and change run smoothly. Walk the floor immediately. Check exits, cameras, fire extinguishers, and high-traffic games to spot hazards before customers arrive. Doing this up front prevents chaos later and gives you situational control. Make sure to notify your manager of any missing items and log discrepancies right away. Once the night ramps up, set clear priorities. Ticket counts, quick game resets, and prize inventory are essential. You need to divide the floor into zones and assign stations so someone owns the skee ball lane, consoles, and redemption counter. Rotate staff every 45-60 minutes to avoid fatigue and blindness to issues. Keep contemporaneous logs, cache drops, incidents, and maintenance requests with timestamps so follow-up is simple. This structure reduces downtime, helps with accountability, and keeps lines moving during the busy. You finish by running a strict closeout checklist. Reconcile cache with a witness, shut down machines, deep clean play surfaces, and log lost and found. Count cache together and sign off. Attach incident notes for any discrepancies so audits are simple. When a machine locks up, reboot it immediately, then escalate. If it isn't fixed in 10-15 minutes, call tech support and isolate the unit to keep guests safe. That one troubleshooting step, reboot then escalate, saves time and prevents bigger nighttime headaches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.